scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Crossbreeding gives away this answer fast because when offspring land in the middle, that usually points to inherited differences between the two insect populations. First, lock onto the key evidence. Insects from the two populations breed together and their offspring mate at an intermediate time, which means the trait blends instead of staying completely separate. That pattern strongly suggests genetic control because inherited variation from both parents can combine an offspring and produce an in-between phenotype. So the mating schedule differs because of genes. If timing came only from season or learning, crossbred offspring would not reliably show that clean intermediate pattern. So genetic variation makes A the best. Well done, option A. Scan now. Watch the signs, avoid rush guesses. Trust the given evidence and check whether offspring show inherited intermediate traits.